Dream nostalgia videos are pulling in millions of views on TikTok right now. This page has gained 237,000 followers and is pulling in millions of views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the Dream Nostalgia generator, and click on the first link. In the GPT, hit Start the generator. It's going to give you 10 scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if nothing's jumping out. I'm going with number 2. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select GPT Image 2. Then paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Select high quality, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. That pink phone box opening onto an endless field, it genuinely looks like something out of a dream. So pick your favorite and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Then go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt and paste it back into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on, set the output to 5 seconds and 1080p, and hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.